Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful Thursday morning, and guess who's getting their hair done? Me, period. I was so excited, guys. I am so excited. And this wig in particular, I've had for such a long time, but I've been struggling to find somebody who can color it, right? So I actually am going to go pick up the wig and then go to another hairstylist and get it installed today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. The wig that I have is a 16-inch 13x4 613 wig. So it is pure blonde and it is from a company called WorldNewHair. I've worked with WorldNewHair before, I've had their hair before, and I was really happy the last time I had their hair. So I'm excited to try out their blonde hair this time, and I'm hyped, okay? So yeah, it's kind of weird that the week or the weekend that I hit 100k subscribers, I'm getting a blonde wig. If that doesn't scream like 100k, I don't know what does. So I'm very excited. I'm thinking of doing like a middle part beach wave type of situation. Like honestly, I'm thinking of doing like a white woman curl, a white woman bob. I'm thinking about that. That's my vision. But yeah, I wanted it to get colored like this. So hopefully when I go to the hairstylist that is coloring the hair, it's going to be that way. I don't necessarily, I'm not running out of time, but because I have 2 stops to make, it would be smart to go eat breakfast and like, you know, get my day started. My main thing is it is going to become winter soon, so my main thing about winter is I do like to go blonde when it gets colder. So if you're one of those girlies and you would like to try out a 613 wig, be it the bob that I'm going to install or something longer, I will link everything in the description box. WorldNewHair is really good, so I would trust them with the 613. You know, you can't just trust anybody with a 613. You can't just trust anyone. So I'm going to do a video on how to take care of a 613 if you're nervous. So subscribe, make sure that your post notifications are on, and yeah, I'll give you 2 more. I'll give you another video to decide where to get your 613, because I do know that it is a big investment and you don't want to just trust anybody with your 613. So I will do that. Don't worry, that video is coming up. But for now, I am going to go and install the hair, and I'm looking forward to it because it's also Thursday. I have an event tomorrow. I'm meeting my friend today. You know, like I hit 100k, like there's just a couple of reasons why I'm excited to, you know, have my hair done this weekend. Also, I just absolutely love the feeling of having my hair done. Let's go install this hair. I'm very excited. Do not forget to check out my description box. I will have the link to the actual hair, but because I'm saying to you that I really trust WorldNewHair, then I will also have a link to their website, so that if you are in the market for any other wig and you don't necessarily want a 613, that link will also be down below for you to check out their store, check out their prices, all of that. So yeah, let me go, and I'll see you guys firstly when we go pick up the hair, and then secondly when we go and actually install.
Guys, here's the hair. How am I gonna show you? But you know, it's not as yellow as it was when I showed it. Look how pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm here now, so we're about to get inside.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig looked under like proper lighting so I could show you. So like I said, I just got this wig customized so that it would look more natural on my skin. As you can see, she did a really good job with the coloring. It looks really, really good. But yeah, now we are going to prep my hair for the install. I chose a glueless install this time, and we are going to do the stocking cap method. And over here we are just putting the stocking cap over my head. We're going to cut it to size and also make sure that it is glued down with some got2b, and we're also going to use some makeup to make sure that the stocking cap really does match my skin. So when it came to the blonde hair, I was really scared that it wouldn't mesh well with my skin, so that's the main reason why I opted to get it colored. But you will see that it ends up really working out. I got my hair colored at Nay Hair, and then I got my hair installed at the Don Hair. Just for anybody who's going to be curious about who did my hair, that's who. And this is how it looks when we just put the wig on my head. As you can see, girl, I absolutely love the color. It's not as 613 as it was before. It is definitely tinted and toned nicely. And all we're really doing over here is we are cutting ear tabs so that the wig can fit securely around my head. So after cutting off the lace or the excess lace, we then went in with the glue. Like I said, we went with got2b, and I think we were using the yellow bottle. Yes, I think that's what we used. And then we started pressing down the lace onto the glue after, you know, making sure that it's tacky so that it would adhere nicely to my face. And all we're really doing now is just straightening the top of the frontal so that the frontal can lay very flat. We are curling the hair, so that's what's going to come afterwards, but we just want to make sure that the hair at the top, especially by the root, is pressed down so that it can nicely lay and look flat from the top. And now I'm just going to tell you guys how I experienced the hair and what I thought. So I think I mentioned this, that I installed on Thursday and then I ended up taking the hair out on Sunday. So I had a full weekend of wear and I loved it, guys. You'll see towards the end, I will show you where I curled the hair, and then later on I'll show you how the curl kind of lasted. I didn't have to go in and recurl my hair 50 million times. The hair could handle a curl, and I really like when hair can handle a curl and keep a curl nice and tight. So yeah, when it came to shedding, I did not experience any shedding, and I was really surprised because this is, you know, blonde hair. It's processed, so I'm really happy about that. This hair didn't even feel like processed. It didn't feel crunchy. You know how it is with a lot of wigs that are super blonde and processed, but I did not experience any of that with this hair, and I am so happy, and I really do recommend that you guys check it out. So this is how the hair looked, freshly done, and I'm obsessed with the volume. It's 16 inches, but it just looks so good and thick, and you know, like, it looks like really good hair. And I will show you now how the hair actually looked after I did my makeup. I went home and did my makeup, and I didn't recurl my hair, but as you can see, girl, the curl stayed. It stayed. It looked beautiful. So yeah, guys, if you are interested in this hair, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and also check out my description box if you want to buy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.